I'm Sam Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of tennisforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it so that you don't miss any of my JavaScript or Python videos. So without any delay, let's get started. Today, I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube in 1 minute 30 seconds. And now, I will scramble it first. Scrambling is the main point. Alright, so let me scramble it. Blah, 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 blah. It was scrambled before only, but I'm scrambling it so that you don't think that I've cheated. So blah, 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so I think this is scrambled now because it was scrambled before also, and I scrambled it in front of you. Okay, so don't suspect. So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh boy, this is so cool. Okay, so now, see. Okay, so now, 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 this is correct, this is not correct, this is not correct, and this is not correct. Bullshit. This is correct, this is correct, and this is not correct, and this is not correct. Okay. Okay, so this is correct, this is correct. And okay, so now, one minute and 58 seconds. This was quite not good. So no worries. I did it like about 20 seconds less than before's time or before's video's time. So no worries. I'll solve it again for you. If you want, I do it in 1 minute 30 seconds because in the title it is written like that only. So you want that. Okay, so I'm going to scramble it once again because you want me to do it in 1 minute 30 seconds, don't you? Comment down below. And I'm sure that you want me to do it in 1 minute and 30 seconds because you want, I don't know what you want, but you want me to do it in 1 minute and 30 seconds, right? Okay, so is this scrambled? Don't think so? Let's scramble it more. Let's scramble it more. Let's scramble it more. Let's scramble it more. So is this good? I think so, yes. Okay, so let me see this one. Okay, so here is good. And here is good. Okay, so this is good. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so this is good. And this is good. And 2, 5, and 5 and okay. 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 So this is all correct now. Okay. So this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. And one, two, three, 7. Oh shit! 1 minute and 48 seconds. This is quite good. It is quite 15 seconds more. Do you want me to solve this again? I'm feeling like doing it. So let's do it. There's no harm in doing that. No, like, I'm improving my timing. And if I don't get on the 30 mark or less than that, don't worry. Okay? So like, this can't solve it so much, man. Like, sometimes it happens. You're not informed. I'm not informed right now, okay? So, yeah. Informed means that not ready to do it or something if I don't do it in this way. Let me see this. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I'm changing this. Oh, okay. Okay, so right now, 3, and here I'm doing, oh, okay. And now I have to do 5, and then 1. Okay, so this is good now, good enough. Okay, so this is good enough. So I'm just about to complete the second layer. Okay, so okay, so this is completed. Okay, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Oh, I'm quite lucky right now. Yes. 4. Okay, so right now it's going good. I'm hoping to do it faster. 3. Oh shit! This stupid Rubik's Cube didn't turn at the right time. 4 and 5. Oh shit! 2, 3, 4, 5. And this stupid Rubik's Cube, do it fast! 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 minute 47 seconds. So this was quite cool. I think this is really cool. This is really cool. This is really cool. This is really cool. I am doing it in a less time. So in the previous video, I did it in 2 minutes and 18 seconds. But now 1 minute and 47 seconds. So this is quite cool. This is quite cool. This is quite cool. This is quite cool. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and share with this video with as many people as you can. And subscribe to my channel, or I will be angry with you. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye bye. And if you can beat me, comment down below and I will see how can you beat me. Hey hey hey.